Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AJAWI TV where we discuss architectural and construction related topics. I'm AJAWI, I'm your host. Right? I'm your host. So guys, today we're doing a country run. Right? Doing a site inspection. So this is the third episode of the Build with AJAWI series, right? So as I've told you before, we have a site that we're working on that I told you that I'll bring you through the entire process of that, which is the reason why I'm heading down today. So the contractor started working, right? And there are certain things that should be on site in order to facilitate the whole process. So he needs electricity and he needs water on the site, right? We have to do an application for temporary water supply and temporary electricity. So water commission and JPS, right? So water commission and JPS. To do that, we have to have a civic number for the property, which means that we have to do an application for that, right? I'm gonna have to go back to the parish council to get that. So whenever you're doing your building application or your building approval, try to get a civic number to avoid going back for one, right? So I guess normally they give it to us in Kingston. Elsewhere I don't think they normally ask for that, but I think it's because the site is a virgin site, nothing is on it, so they will want us to get that number for them. The JPS actually asks for the civic number as well, along with the title and surveyor's report, right? So I had to print out another copy of that to take to JPS. I think water commission also needs it as well. They didn't explicitly ask for it, or the client didn't mention that, but I printed a copy just in case, because it's so far I don't want to have to go and come back again. Right, so I'm actually on my way there now. So once I'm there, I'll take some drone shots so that you guys can see and just bring you along the process. Clearing, the site has already been cleared, right? So site has already been cleared, and insurance is supposed to be in place by the contractor, so they are supposed to provide information on that, so that if anything happens, client is covered, right? And the contractor is covered as well. So that's pretty much where we are so far. We're just on the way down now to get that done for a client. And again, the client is overseas, so we are trying to facilitate them as much as possible, right? As much as possible. Because that's the job, right? That's the job, right? So, see you along the way. Now identify the peg up here, sir. Now identify your peg up here, sir.
Yeah, man. one split across.
Okay. Okay, next one there. No. Big boss. How are you?
Good, great.
Great. She had a big boss, you know. Look at it. Alright guys, I'm back. So just finished site inspection or site visit. Not really an inspection yet, but more of a site visit, right? So they cleared the site. As soon as I reached there, I saw like they were carting away material. I went there to ensure that I identify the pegs that are on the property to ensure that they're not overbuilding or breaching the property. So I identified those. As for our trip back to the parish council for a civic number, apparently you don't get civic number in the rural areas because St. Elizabeth doesn't have a civic number. So the parish council just told us to carry the documents for the property and take it to them. They shouldn't really need a civic number for St. Elizabeth, that is. Don't know if it applies to other locations, right? So now we're actually on our way back. I'm going to show you some flyovers that I did for the clients to ensure that they are seeing what is happening on site. That I believe is very important because at the end of the day they're not in the island, and that little that little update does help them to sleep well at night and know that hey, AJAWI is on the project, and they're able to get those information to them, right, while they're overseas. So I'm just heading back now. The beautiful one is beside me. That's her, the big boss, you know. Yeah. So stay tuned. You'll see some drone pictures or drone footage right about now. Hope you enjoy it, and please, if it is that you find value in these types of videos, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I make videos just like this one. All right, I would really appreciate that, and it would help to spread the video. All right, I don't know why this man stopping at the middle of the road. I look people, woman. Man, go away, I got what? No, but I mean, where else on the side of the road? Bet to see is a man. Man, look at her. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for recommending us to other returning residents so that they too can build, return home and enjoy their homeland and live in peace and do it safely. Right? Thank you. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, go check out my website. That's, you'll see it probably at the bottom of the screen, but go check out AJAWIConstruction.com and you will be able to see all the services that I offer. Alright, thanks again. See you.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking planes and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my shine. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean.